Yes.
Was the transition from the television to the Bollywood industry?
चीज़ें बहुत similar in terms of OTT platform or films or television, but then it was completely different.
What will be your dream collaboration from Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan, I think that is one person I've been wanting to work with.
There were projects that you accepted but you also rejected
There were a
throughout.
lot of them. You know, I would be doing a lot of work. I will be picking up a lot of projects, but
हेलो गाइस, दिस इज तनु अवस्थी एंड यू आर वाचिंग मी ऑन फिल्मी ज्ञान। और आज हमारे साथ शामिल हुई है सबसे प्यारी आमना।
हाय
हाय, कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक
आई
हूँ।
वुड लाइक टू वेलकम यू एट फिल्मी ज्ञान।
Thank
कैसा जा
you.
रहा है आपका दिन?
वेरी नाइस। अभी यहाँ पे आ गई तो आई एम श्योर बहुत अच्छा जाएगा।
So Amna, before we start, I want to know how is your year going? 2025 has already began, and how is this year going for you?
This year, yeah, it's going great. I feel every year is great. It's all about the mindset, and yeah, it's going fab.
Also, if we talk about your journey,
Yes.
which has started from television, आपने television से चालू
जी.
किया to Bollywood. How has you as an actress evolved over the years?
I think it's been quite a journey starting from, I guess I have like tried everything and
Yeah.
there's a lot more to try and grow as an actor. But yeah, so far the journey has been fabulous. Got to learn a lot, got to work with a lot of fabulous people, and yeah, it's going on.
So when you made your entry to the Bollywood,
Yes.
was the transition from the television to the Bollywood industry, was it difficult or was it challenging for you? Did you
It
face
was,
any?
yes, it was very, very different compared to television because television is a completely different genre.
Yeah.
And now in fact इतनी चीज़ें बहुत different नहीं हैं. चीज़ें बहुत similar in terms of OTT platform or films or television, but then it was completely different. And for me, I had played a particular character.
Yeah.
I mean, I had played Kashish for a very long time. So to come out of that and to completely do a different character, it was quite a transition, but it was very smooth. I had a fabulous team to work with, my director, and yeah, it was great then.
So looking back at time, from कहीं तो होगा to कसौटी जिंदगी के,
Yes.
is कोई ऐसी चीज है जो कि आप बहुत मिस करते हो और something that आप अपने साथ लेके चलते हो वो memory which is unforgettable for you?
It would be Kashish from Kahi To Hoga, because that role, I mean, till date, like I get so much of love for it, and it is unmatched. Like I feel nothing can come close to that character for me. And again, I recently just worked. I got the opportunity to work with Rajiv Khandelwal.
Yes.
And it was we were just, I mean, discussing Sujal and Kashish and the love that we've got for the character, and I think yeah, that character holds the closest place to my heart.
You also played a very serious character in Ek Villain with
Right.
Ritesh Deshmukh,
Yeah.
Siddharth Malhotra and Shraddha Kapoor. And everybody loved that character. मतलब वो character literally people could relate it और आप मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि यार हाँ, she is right. What she is doing is actually right. Throwing tantrums for what Ritesh was doing in the movie and everything. But how was your experience in that movie with Ritesh and Siddharth and Shraddha?
I mean, it is a dream team to work with, working opposite Ritesh and Mohit sir. The character, it actually had a very deep impact on me, in the sense I actually get into the skin of the character. So for me, that character was obviously grey. And to talk in that manner to your husband, to behave that way, it really played a lot, and it took me a lot of time to get out of that thing. In fact, I used to discuss with the director also that, oh my god, how am I going to get out of this? Because I was literally living the character to be able to look that path. And as you said, yeah, it's very normal to behave that way, but yeah, that character had a lot of shades of grey in it.
So, talking about your journey from television to Bollywood, if I ask कि काफी समय से you were inactive, you weren't seen on the screen. So if we talk about for an actress or an actor, that becomes a very gray area for an actress to be inactive. So for you, क्या आपकी जर्नी में ऐसा हुआ कि there were projects that you accepted but you also rejected
There were a
throughout?
lot of them. In fact, post Khaitoga, people thought that I would be doing a lot of work. I will be picking up a lot of projects, but it was a conscious decision on my part because I did a show for 6 years, and I wanted to take a break. And that time again, I didn't want to jump into something which I would have to commit myself for again next 2-3 years. So there were a lot of good projects that it wasn't a easy decision for mine to say no to that. But I have seen all phases in life where I have been completely without any work. There have been times where I have been like, I have gone back thinking that maybe I shouldn't have taken this break. But again, I have no regrets. I think that's a part of an actor's journey. It has made me grow as an actor. It has made me grow as an individual. It has made me value a lot of things more.
If I ask you, there are so many genres that you have already explored.
Yeah.
But अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आप कौन सा genre explore करना चाहते हो, तो वो कौन सा
See,
होगा?
I think for a very long time I haven't done a romantic, project.
Yeah.
So I think that is the genre that I really want to explore because I feel that is my forte. Like that is something that it comes very naturally to me in terms of just romance.
Yes.
Yeah.
So with that, we'll move forward to
Yeah.
the rapid fire round. So Amna, the first question is, what will be your dream collaboration from Bollywood?
As an actor,
Yes,
or
as an actor.
Shah Rukh Khan. I think that is one person I've been wanting to work with since like forever.
Okay.
And Ranbir Kapoor. Yeah.
Okay. What's the weirdest or funniest DM you have received since your social media following shot up?
There are so many of them. I can't recollect any one. But there are so many of them.
Anyone if you would like to share?
I think the weirdest is that, are you a vampire? Because you're not aging and all of that. So I find all of that so weird.
Well, that's a compliment for sure.
Yeah, but it's sort of weird.
Yeah. Okay. If you could steal one role from any Bollywood actor, which one would it be? A role from a Bollywood movie or anything.
I can't recollect now.
Maybe from your favorite movie.
I mean, it has to be Kajol from Dilwale.
Oh,
Like, yeah, I'm a
nice one.
hardcore, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, a co-star you learned the most from just by watching them act.
Ritesh Deshmukh. Yeah.
Okay. If your life had a theme song, what would it be?
If my life from Dilwale, I think anyone I can pick.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next segment is what the comment. So we have filtered out some of the comments from your profile. So
Okay.
the first comment is, and you have to react on it.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is, आमना को भी बिग बॉस में देखना चाहते हैं?
नहीं.
नहीं?
I'm too private a person.
Okay. आमना इतनी खूबसूरत है. She should definitely act with Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan.
I just said it. I mean, Salman sir, I got the opportunity to
Yeah.
work with. But yeah, Shah Rukh sir is someone I want to act
And your
with.
fans
Yeah.
would like to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving forward with the hashtag show, I'll call out some of the celebrity names and you have to give a hashtag to them. So first is Shraddha Kapoor,
Pretty.
Siddharth Malhotra,
Handsome.
Ritesh Deshmukh,
Fab actor.
SRK,
Someone I want to work with.
Alia Bhatt,
Alia Bhatt. Again, brilliant actress.
Genelia,
Sweet.
Kiara Advani,
Beautiful.
Rajkumar Rao.
Spontaneous.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so Amna, one last thing before we end this interview. One message to your fans that you would like to give them.
All I want to say is, I want to thank them for all the love that they've always showered me with. And yeah, always, I love you guys.
Thank you.